This video is regarding some people who want to seek validation from others, like so-called these people who think that they are mature, who are like, I am the person who has seen the reality and no one else knows what's the real thing. So now I will tell you what I'm talking about. So when you see some people, like of course foreigners or some people telling that our country is very dirty, which is true to some extent. It's not that every place in our country is unhygienic and bad, but there are many places. Okay, when I go to my park, there is a lot of cleanliness, and the places where it is cleanliness is less as compared to the places which are not much cared of. It's not necessary that that place is ugly. Maybe the people are very much aware that and unhygienic that they keep their place, okay, but slums are the areas where people are not even capable of eating and sleeping. How can they take care of this all? And the irony is to show that how developed our India is, they come to these slums. So this is the thing that which is very hypocrite, and there are some Indians that live in a bubble and they think that I live in a place which is not like India, which is very much privileged, and I am very rich, and that's why I am able to afford all this. And to be honest, I am very mature. Or they could think that I am middle class. My surrounding is broken roads and all that. That's why. And our India is least developed, and to be honest, it is very less developed in many categories. But the thing is that you should not try to seek validation when you are in front, or when you are in comment section of any other YouTubers which are already criticizing Indians. And then what happens is that those people criticize India more, they disrespect us more, and then they come, like people like Andrew Tate come and just start disrespecting our culture, our everything. Curry, and what is that? That you remember that Japanese song which was Curry Police, and that Namaste Kohe named YouTuber, whoever was that person, that also was in there, and he also knew that what was happening, and he acted like we are fools. So please have some common sense, and you're not so called mature when you speak all that in front of these in the comments of these people. Please don't think that you are mature. When you are actually mature, you will realize that, yeah, you will accept that fact and share awareness. When you are in the comment section of people who are not aware, it's not aware. People are criticizing because they know. You are not making anyone aware. You are just showing like you are having inferiority complex, and you are so way down that you are like, yes, we are so bad, like that. We are just criticizing your own self, we are disrespecting your own self. You should shut up and do some work. Which work? Try to develop this country, okay? You are writing this, go and clean your road. Just remember how many packets of chips and cold drink you have thrown on the road, which was not good for your health, nor was it for the land you are throwing and the environment. Please have some common sense, and you are shitting on the comment section also. Please have some common sense, and don't think you are mature. Even I'm telling this thing many times so that you can realize this thing. And this was the only thing I wanted to tell. And another thing that foreigners, whatever they do, they think that don't try to um, get influenced by it, because they know nothing. You live in the same country, so how would they know better than you? So you should take steps to uh, make the country better. Second, get some education. Third, if they talk very much rubbish, then just comment one thing, and don't try to waste your own time, because if they come to reply you, that just means they have shit in their head and they know nothing. They just have this ego of not letting himself or herself being inferior, and to be proved wrong. Okay, so you just comment what's right, and if they reply like whatever, even if the creator is replying, you don't give a shit if they're wrong. because you don't need to boil your own blood or waste your own efforts or mood for that thing. Another thing is that make the country better, which I told you. Another thing is whenever you meet such foreigners in your area, you see, just tell them how good India is, suggest some good places and suggest and tell how good the India is, and tell them that India is not like how people show. And there are many foreigners who tell that India is good and it is not so bad how much is told. And there are many people like that. I'm not saying all the foreigners or other YouTubers are like that, because it depends on the individual. There are many individuals of India also who just betray India, and there are many betrayers. There are many shitty and stupid and um, blockhead people who have nothing in their brain, just trying to show the negative side of one country, of one state. So this is the thing that I wanted to tell, because these people have negative mindset. Optimistic people try to make everything positive and not show negative things. For example, if I'm going to New York, why will I waste my money on something like, see how these dirty people are sitting, how these garbage is fallen down, because everyone knows that New York is also very polluted. It also has a lot of garbage. But why do they? We don't know. Many of us don't know that. Why? Because they don't show it. They don't have inferiority complex, but you have. Whoever who are you people who write like that, you have inferiority complex. Okay, regarding your country. Why? Because I don't know what the hell. You should improve that also. And this is the only thing that I wanted to tell, like 2 3 things. And I hope you were able to understand these points, and share this video to whoever has this thing that they are suffering from, and they don't know, and they think they are very much mature. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.